Right, fart faces. This is the nickname which we have given to Vignesh because he farts a lot.
What?
So as you guys must have watched the previous video where we did all those bunch of challenges with the food items and stuff. Now it's time for punishment. Exactly, the moment that all of us have been waiting for, especially me. So yes, we are gonna do some bunch of crazy shit with their Instagram accounts. Let's see how it goes, and hopefully
I still have that many amount of followers by this video.
yeah, let's hope.
You're jealous of my social life, aren't you? Because the only social life that you have is us.
The first things first, we are gonna make Vignesh confess something on Instagram. Basically, he's going to reveal to the world that he feels insecure about himself and he feels like he's ugly. And he'll ask people for their opinions. He'll ask them to vote. Let's see what people vote on that. Truly? Fine, Vignesh. So you know what you have to do, right?
I've been feeling very insecure lately. And I think I'm very ugly. What do you guys think? I'm gonna put up a poll pretty soon. I'm gonna murder you for making me do this.
And this is going live. Done.
Hey. Come on, You are really enjoying this, aren't you?
Not me, no.
Vamsi, next is your turn.
Yeah, no, that's why I'm not enjoying.
So Vamsi and Sanjay has no social life, so we are going to focus on it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
என்னடா விளையாடுறீங்களா?
Literally he has 10 followers only.
Only
And he has
20,000 followers.
20,000
எவ்வளவு இருக்காங்க?
400 பேர் தான் இருக்காங்க.
எப்படி வாயிலே வர வச்ச மச்சான்? You have 400 followers. So you have to do something.
Vignesh, since Vamsi and Sanjay have no social life, you're supposed to be doing all the other tasks as well. So now what you have to do is, you'll have to make a TikTok or a reel video and post it on Instagram. So basically you'll have to do one of those TikTok dances. Do it.
Same one.
Do it, bro. Do it. Okay, he's about to start, guys.
Meanwhile,
Basically 6 people voted on that post. 3 people called him really ugly, and the other 3 people who actually called him pretty as was us. So basically everybody calls him ugly.
I think that is a reality check, that's it.
Nothing else.
Okay, Vignesh. Now you and Sanjay have to arm wrestle, and the winner gets to smack the loser on his head, and you'll have to post that video on your Instagrams. Are we making him look good? Yes. Now Sanjay, you can smack him on his head. It's a new day, a new time, a new life, but we are still going to continue with the Instagram challenge. So now Sanjay is got to do something crazy. Now we are going to make him wear a wig. This is what the wig looks like. So he'll have to wear this and do jumping jacks in public, and let's see how people react to it. And he'll also have to post that video on his Instagram. So let's see how it goes.
I don't have that many followers.
He says he has no social life, so I don't think it's actually going to matter, but still let's see how it goes.
Hey, big is so small da.
Finally you have some hair on your head, bro.
Now you're looking.
He actually looks cool, man.
Hey, yeah, dude, it actually suits you. 50 likes and we'll make him wear this wig for an entire video, maybe soon. Let's see how it goes.
From now on in every video, he'll wear this.
Okay, yeah.
No. Maybe for 4 videos or 5 videos, that's it. I think he'll have 50 likes.
I mean, okay. 50 likes. I'll personally make sure people like the video.
Start, do it.
Public,
Fine, yeah, actually, guys. Sanjay, go in front of that store and do that.
Do it.
Bro, someone just stopped their Activa to look at you.
I actually feel good because I wasn't entitled to this amount of embarrassing stuff.
Well, you get to live a life as Vignesh, so I mean that's embarrassing enough.
Guys, start a petition for Sanjay to go bald again.
Fine guys.
Go to change
100 likes and we'll shave off his head publicly. Let's do it. 100 likes and we're doing it. And it's up. Go to his Instagram account guys and type sexy as if you find this sexy. Do you want to tell people what happened to the poll which we put up that day? So these were the results of the poll which Vignesh put up. 18 people voted as ugly as and the people who voted pretty as were his fake accounts.
That wasn't my fake account. People actually thought I was pretty, man.
Sure. So now the challenge is for Vamsi. He'll have to make a couple's post on his Instagram. So basically, Sanjay will be holding Vamsi's hand and he'll basically be walking like this, backwards. And you might have seen all those couple posts on Instagram and he'll have to do it. This is what they're gonna do. So let's see how it turns out. Vamsi, you'll have to wear that so that it looks feminine. And now you'll have to post that on your Instagram and write with him and put the heart symbol next to it.
And tag him also. Okay, I'm gonna make sure we win the next challenge. I'm gonna make sure we win the next challenge.
But I'm not
Your dreams.
Nothing very important.
We are done posting it on your Instagram as well.
Really?
But I posted and I wrote with him hearts.
Why me now? You didn't do anything new.
So we are done with the Instagram video. It turned out hilarious.
Don't come close to me. Don't come close to me. Stay there.
I enjoyed torturing them. And let us know if you guys want us to do
We also
something else
enjoy
later.
getting tortured. There's no big difference. Okay?
Yeah.
We are Vignesh.
Hey,
we don't
everything's
have
an
any
ad,
shame.
okay?
That's what we are. What? Everything's an ad.
Sure, that's what he says when he acts like a retard as well. But we all know that he doesn't act like a retard. He is a retard.
He
so
is
let
a
us know
method
what.
actor when it comes to being a retard. Gets into the character.
Anyway, so guys, we are done with the video. Let us know what you want us to do next, and peace out. Sanjay, how many people saw that video of yours?
0.
Now watch me whip, watch me nay nay. Why me do it? Now watch me whip, kill it, watch me.